The parrot's secret. Tom wanted a pet that could talk. So he bought a parrot from a mysterious old man. Old man, careful, son. This parrot has a habit of repeating secrets. Tom laughed. No problem. I have nothing to hide. A week later, Tom's wife stormed into the room furious. Who is Jessica? Tom froze. What? The parrot keeps saying, Tom, don't tell Jessica. Tom turned to the bird in shock. You traitor. The parrot flapped its wings. Hey, don't blame me. You're the one who talks in his sleep. Moral of the story: be careful what you say, someone's always listening.